Hello everyone, finally I have got my course published on Udemy. This course will be the Network Ethical Hacking course for beginners. It will be divided into 5 sections. The introduction here, the network pre-attack phase, where you will learn the Kali Linux history, the file structure, how to download and install the VirtualBox, how to download and configure the Kali Linux on VirtualBox, how to solve any issues for importing the Kali Linux into VirtualBox, how to get comfortable with Kali Linux, and learn how the Wi-Fi networks work. In the third section, this is the network attack phase. You will learn how to discover closed Wi-Fi networks, how to convert your external wireless adapter from managed mode to monitor mode to be able to capture the packets on the air around you. We will use some other tools to get the password from the Wi-Fi networks around us, like AeroDumpNG and AeroCrackNG, how to get the hidden SSIDs around you, how to change your MAC to hide behind any other connected endpoint or PC. In this section as well, you will learn how to disconnect any connected client connected to the Wi-Fi network. This section has many cool stuff. After that, in the fourth section, you will learn how to generate the backdoors and how to use Meterpreter and Metasploit framework to gain access to PCs. And in the final module, you're going to learn how to protect yourself from the above mentioned attacks. So this is the course on Udemy. I'll put the URL on the description and you can enroll now. Thank you.